TechnoIllustrator. Erasing parts of photos. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Microsoft Paint. Click on Start and type Paint in the search bar. Then, click on Paint. You may also just go to Start, All Programs, Paint. Step 2. Open an image. Click on File to open, select File to be opened, click Open. Or press Alt-F. Press Select File to be opened, click Open. Step 3. Zoom in the image. Click on the magnifier tool, click on the area where you want to zoom. Step 4. Erase in the image. Click on the eraser tool, lessen the size of the eraser tool, erase parts of the image that you need to. Step 5. Save an image. Click on File, click Save As. Upon clicking Save As, the Save As window will appear. Find the folder where you want to save your file. Type the name of the file in the File Name box. Click Save. Your file is now saved.